Hi, Bridges families. The next program I'm going to demonstrate is LRFFC. So LRFFC is a really short acronym for a kind of long name. It's Listener Response by Feature, Function, and Class. So what that really means is that we're trying to see if our learner is going to be able to listen to a direction and show us that they know. It doesn't mean that they need to say the answer out loud. It does mean that they need to point to the right answer. So listener response means they're hearing a direction and they're going to point to the right answer. They might also say it out loud, and that's great too, but mostly we're just looking to make sure that they can point or show us the right answer from a field size of pictures or objects. Feature function class means that we are not going to say the name of the object directly. Like if it's a cat, we're not going to say cat. We're going to talk about the features, things that describe the cat, the function of the cat, like a cat meows, and then what class is a cat and kind of like what category. So it's an animal. So we're going to use these things, feature, function, class, all these different ways of describing what qualities this item or this animal has, and then use those clues to hopefully have our learner show us that they understand the clue and that they can demonstrate understanding of what we're talking about. So I'll just do a demonstration that might be a little bit easier. I don't have LRFFC cards with me at home, so I'm going to be using my cards with the white edges. Your LRFFC cards might have a different color around the border. I think they might be dark pink if you're using the set from Bridges. But you can also do these with any cards, which I'll demonstrate, so you can play with your learner and try to make up your own clues. So for this one, I'm using a field size of 4. And again, you're going to want to check on what cards your student is working on, what they've learned at school already. But one example is I might say, show me the one that's an animal. They're going to point to the cat because a cat is an animal. I didn't say point to the cat. I used a descriptor or a describing word that said what, like kind of giving a clue about what it is. I'm going to say, show me the one that's yellow. Maybe they point to the banana, or maybe they need a bit of a gesture. So I'm describing a feature, a description of the banana is that it's yellow. I'm going to say, show me the one that you drink out of. That's the function of a cup. Show me the one you drink out of. And maybe your learner needs a full hand-over-hand prompt to come touch the cup. So if you are using these LRFFC cards at home, they're going to have the clues written on the back of the card. So you just need to read the back of the clue, lay them out in the appropriate number of cards in the field size, and then just read the clue for your learner. Say I give the clue, show me the one you drink out of, and my learner touches pizza. I'm going to represent the cards. Say, show me the one you drink out of, take their hand, and right away give them the answer that they drink out of a cup.